In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize work with Smartsheet. Complete Setup 2026. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. This is where everything lives, so it's worth bookmarking for quick access. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. We'll move from simple navigation to powerful setup tips. Sign into your Smartsheet account. Click Sign In, choose your method, email and password, Google, Microsoft, or SSO, and complete any two-step verification if it's enabled. Once you're in, you'll land on your home page. Home is your hub. You'll see recent items and quick access to your most used content. Use the search bar when you don't remember where something is and rely on the left sidebar to jump between Home, Browse, and Notifications. This saves a lot of time as your folders and workspaces grow. On the home page, you'll notice Suggested and All Workspaces. Workspaces are containers that hold sheets, reports, and dashboards for a team or project. The key to mastering each sheet by what it's used for is clarity. Make sure every sheet has a clear purpose, a concise description, and consistent naming. Think in categories: planning, execution, tracking, and reporting. When everything has a clear home and role, your updates and permissions become much easier to manage. Next, use AI to accelerate your setup. If you use Google Sheets, you can leverage Gemini to structure your Smartsheet data before importing. Ask it to generate a project template with columns like task name, owner, start, finish, duration, status, priority, and dependencies. You can also have Gemini draft formulas, such as automatic status from dates or duration calculations, then paste them into Smartsheet after import. Before you bring data in, ask Gemini to clean formats, consistent dates, standardized statuses, and clear owner names, so your sheet behaves reliably. Now, turn on Smartsheet's native efficiency features. Enable dependencies in project settings so your Gantt timelines and durations update automatically when dates shift. Use cell linking to pull single values from one sheet to another, and cross-sheet formulas to calculate metrics across projects. Automate workflows to send update requests or reminders to owners when due dates approach or statuses change. If your plan includes it, standardize at scale with Control Center so every project launches with the same structure, reports, and roll-ups. Finally, in any sheet, organize your work by columns and views. Sort and filter to focus on what matters, group to roll up priorities or owners, and switch between grid, Gantt, card, and calendar views to match your workflow. That's how you stay clear, fast, and in control with Smartsheet.